切符に関係ないご質問はインフォメーションの窓口でお聞きください。
arigatou gozaimasu.
Has he seen him?
He says a question unrelated to tickets should be answered by information host. He is not information host. すみません。私、あなたをかばる。
そのことに関しては切符売り場の人に聞いてください。
ごめんなさい。
What's he saying?
He say, ask ticket vendor.
What the? You already did that. He sent you to the other guy.
Japan can sometimes be tiresome in this way.
But you're only half Japanese. Look, in America, when the traditional way isn't working, we improvise. I'd suggest telling this gentleman to give you the information or you'll kick his ass.
質問に答えてくれないとお前のケツを。
あっち。
There he is.
すみません。
Dang it, Junichiro, come on. Dad, wait.
I can't, boy. I got a date in Kyoto with the Emperor.
Oh, thank God. You're just going to the peace ceremony.
Yep. I'm gonna hawk a loogie in the face of this country's #1 sumbitch.
What? Dad, no.
You will be proud of me. I was abrupt with an elderly woman.
We're too late. Our dad's on his way to spit in the Emperor's face.
Whoa! Who will want to buy robots from a man whose father spit on the emperor?